Hello. In this short video, I would like to show you how to use Bezier splines in Freecad. So let's start with Inkscape and let's do a short recall. What are Bezier curves or Bezier splines? These are lines that have a start point and an end point, and you also have two control points that are not part, they don't touch the curve, but they influence the shape of the line. So the first point is the tangential direction of the start point of the Bezier curve, and the second control point is the tangential direction of the end point, and also they control the strength. So I knew how to do this in Inkscape, and I was stuck on how you do the same thing in Freecad. So let me show you how you do it, the way I found out how to do it. So the way I do it is I go into a sketch, and then I press the construction geometry, and then I create two lines. The first line is the first two control points. So let's go into line, and I want the start point of my future Bezier curve to be from here, and this should be the first control point, and then this is my second control point, and the Bezier curve should end here. So now once I have the construction geometry done, I go out of construction geometry, and now I connect the create B-Spline, and now I will touch the same points, and this will create coincidental constraints. So I go to the first point, second point, third point, and the end point, and then I press escape. So now this number here, this is the degree of the B-spline, which is 3, which matches the cubic spline, which is the definition of a Bezier curve. And now we can just move the control points. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, so these are not coincidental, so let's create another constraint. Choose this point, and press C for coincidental. What happened here? Let's remove this constraint. Okay, so now they're on top of one another, and now I can control, with these two control points, I can control the B-spline exactly the same way I would control a Bezier curve. And with this construct, we can easily create additional constraints if we want to have a tangential line. So let's go out of construction geometry, choose a line, we put it at our Bezier curve endpoint, and now I want to have a tangential connection between the B-spline and this line. So we choose this line and this construction line. I pressed Control to choose both, and now I just press the tangential collinear constraint, and now we have a tangential continuation of the B-spline. Okay, let's move this away. Yeah, so now we have a continuation of the B-spline into this linear line. Yep, so that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you.